Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing two nail paints from Faces. These nail paints are easily available online at Nykaa. If you want to buy these nail paints, I'll share the links in the description box so that you can buy them easily. And now reviewing the first one, it is the Floral Dream. Shade number is 56. This is a very beautiful purple pinkish color. And the second one is Shanghai Shimmer. The shade number is 23. Start with a clear nail paint as your base coat and using the Maybelline Color Show Crystal Clear. Shade number is 101. I always recommend using a clear nail paint as a base coat to prevent your nails from yellowing. Nail paints contain a color pigments which can cause your nails to lose their natural color, and so this clear nail paint will prevent them from yellowing. I'll apply the first coat of this color now. This is a very beautiful light purplish pinkish kind of color. It is a very go-to color to any occasion. My first coat has dried completely, and now I'm applying a second coat on top of it. I'll apply this shimmer now on top of the previous color.